Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to use sheet metal gusset feature. We will make gusset in this plate. Active sheet metal gusset, click this face and this face. This parameter function to edit gusset position. See? This parameter for edit gusset dip like this. See? And this parameter for edit gusset dimension like this. See? Okay. See? You can copy this gusset use linear pattern like this. Active linear pattern. Click this edge for direction parameter. Click gusset feature for pattern parameter. Make this 30 mm. Okay. See? That is a quick tips. See ya.